Hi everyone, welcome back. So two more left-hand patterns which I have composed for you. The first one in this part would be like a folk fusion part, which is based on the 7 Sus4 chord, which is it's a very Indian-sounding folk scale. So the pattern would be, I'll play it once. And as this lesson has been going on, there's some arpeggio motion. There's also diads, which I'm hitting together. So this is a good way to improve your finger independence, not just your hand independence, primarily your finger control, finger independence. So you're holding these 2 fingers, let's say, but you're doing something else with the other 3 fingers. Okay, so we pivot, we keep our hand on A7 sus4, which is root, perfect 4th, perfect 5th, and the minor 7th. Okay, the first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ma pa ni pa sa pa ga, ma pa ni pa sa pa ga, ma pa ni pa sa pa ga, ma pa ni pa. Again. We can just stick with it and make it a 7/8, possibly. 3, 4, 5. So you start with this dyad, A and D together. And with the middle finger, you drop it down to the G or the 3rd. And then the remainder of the pattern, which is now going to make it exactly 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it's 7 plus 9 equals 16. Takadimi takita takadimi takita juno takadimi takita tum tum tan 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 tararida. That's 9 1 7 flat 5. So that's 9 or the upper 2, root octave, 7 flat, and then your perfect 5th. Let's do it slowly. Good left hand workout, I think. You can also transpose it to maybe D. E. Whatever scale you wish. But for now I'm sticking with A, D and E because that's diatonic. D, E, slowly, slowly. Okay, I have one more pattern for you before we wind up this series. So that would be on the key of F minor. harmonic minor. And this is the first pattern in the series which actually includes some nice 16th note phrasing. Earlier it was just 8th notes, you could say. So I'll play the pattern slowly. So the two chords which I'm toggling between are F minor and then moving up to a G minor 7th flat 5, which is G, B flat, D flat, F. Dum, be, do, ba, do, re. And da, 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 da. That's A flat major 6th, G minor 7th flat 5, F minor, and C dominant. So boom, be, dum, be, dum, be, do, 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 da, dum, be, do, ba, do, li, da, re, do, re. Slowly. So F minor, G minor 7th flat 5, C 7th with an E bass. You could also do an E diminished 7th. So pa, G, or that. In this case, I'm going with the C 7th with an E bass. Pa, but you could also do. And to count this, 1 E, a 2 E, and a 3 E, and a 4 E. And so that's what we call as the modified Tresillo. 1 E, and a 2 E, and a 3 E, and a 4 E, and 1 E, pa, pa, boom, pa, 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 pa. Then takadimi, takajunu, takadimi, takajunu, ta. That's easy. That's 4 arpeggios, which A flat major 6, root position, G minor 7 flat 5, root position, and then F minor, root position, and finally C 7th in that E bass position. So it's like the modified Tresillo 3 times, and then the flourish of the 4 arpeggio flourishes at the end. G, F, C 7th, be, da, 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 do, ba, do, ba, da, be, da, ne, do, re, do. Okay, so I've composed something as well which I don't want to play here. That will take too much of time, so I have it in a separate YouTube video. Check it out, it's in the description, where each of these compositions are there in separate riff videos, as we call them on our channel. So thanks for watching this 3-part series. Hope this strengthens your left hand. Hope it gets you to understand the concept of finger independence, especially also using all the fingers to play our chords, and also reinforcing the fact that the left hand is also a very creative hand when playing the piano. It's not just an engine hand like we make it out to be, just keep a pumping pattern and then do all the flourishing stuff or the creative stuff in the right hand. The left hand on its own, as you heard, and in fact if you watch the performances, you'll see me just playing in one hand. There's no right hand at all. I've just layered it with other instruments in the right hand. So the left hand is a very creative hand, so don't work out the left hand. It's very important. So all the best with that. Get the notation on Patreon, the MIDI files, backing tracks as well. You can write to me, my handwritten notes for the entire 3-part series, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. Thanks a ton for watching the video. I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.